Assistant Coordinator Ma'am, esteemed teachers and my dear friends, a very warm and cheerful morning to everyone present here. It's a privilege for the students of Class 3A to conduct today's assembly on the meaningful topic, empathy. Listen, care, connect. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It helps us build stronger relationships, create a supportive environment, and spread kindness wherever we go. So let's begin with a prayer. Kindly join your hands, close your eyes, bow your heads, and connect with the Almighty through prayer. Dear God, hear our prayer today. Guide our hearts along the way. Help us care and understand. Lend a smile and a helping hand when friends are sad. Help us be near to listen well, and so we care. May kindness shine in all we do, in every word and action too. Fill our hearts with love so bright, to do what's good and what is right. Bless our school and family too, and help us share your love anew. Amen. Now I invite my principal.
Good morning. Thought of the day is empathy, seeing with the eyes of another, listening with the ears of another, and feeling with the heart of another. Let us reflect on this thought and try to understand others before judging them. Now let us welcome our friends for a beautiful song. May its words inspire us to listen, care, connect with others.
Understanding someone's feelings. It is about making them feel heard, valued, and supported. To illustrate how empathy can strengthen relationships and create a caring community, my talented friends have prepared a short play based on today's theme, empathy. Listen, care, connect. So let's welcome our young performers with a big round of applause as they present their thought-provoking play. Now I invite my friends to take the position on the stage.
Play A Friend in Need. Theme Empathy. Listen, care, connect. Characters Divan, Rahul, Kabir, and Arjun. Scene 1. Before the English test. The boys are sitting in the classroom before an English test. Everyone is revising except Arjun, who looks worried.
Good morning, everyone. Are you ready for the test? I think so. I revised online. Same here. I hope the paper will be easy. Arjun, why are you so quiet today?
Oh, it's nothing.
Are you sure? You don't seem like yourself.
I'm fine. Let's just talk about the test.
Sometimes when people say they are fine, they actually need someone to listen. That's true. Arjun, we are your friends. You can tell us.
Well, my grandfather has been in the hospital for the last few days. I haven't been able to concentrate on my studies.
Oh no, how is he now?
He's getting better, but I am still worried.
That must be very stressful.
Yes, every evening my family visits him. By the time I get home, I'm tired and can't focus.
Scene 2. Listening.
Thanks for telling us, Arjun. We can understand why you have been distracted. It sounds like that you have had a lot on your mind.
Exactly. I want to do well in the test, but I couldn't prepare properly.
We are glad you shared your feelings instead of keeping them inside.
I already feel better after talking about it.
That's because good friends listen without judging.
Scene 3. Caring.
Don't worry too much about one test. Your family and your grandfather are more important right now. And remember, your grandfather is improving. That's good news. Everyone faces difficult times. You don't have to handle everything alone.
Thank you. I was afraid people would think I was making excuses.
Not at all. We care about what you are going through. That's what friends are for.
Scene 4. Connecting.
How about this? After school, we will help you revise the chapter you missed. I can explain grammar topics. I will help you vocabulary. And I will share my notes.
Really? You do that for me?
Of course.
Thank you so much, friends.
Empathy isn't just feeling sorry for someone. It's understanding their feelings. It's showing that you care. And it's helping them when they need support. Bye friends. Bye friends. See you tomorrow.
The boys meet again in the classroom.
Great news! My grandfather is feeling much better.
That's wonderful.
And thanks to all of you, I felt confident during the test.
We are happy to hear that. See what happens when friends support each other. A problem becomes smaller when shared. And friendship becomes stronger. Yeah! Empathy means listen, care, and connect. Listen to understand, care with kindness, connect through support. A small act of empathy can make a big difference in someone's life. And you. When someone speaks, just pause and hear their words.
Every word deserves to be heard and valued. Small acts of care can make a big difference. Picking up strangers in friends. A compassionate mind builds an inclusive society. Kindness begins when empathy leads the way. Little empathy can create a ripple of positivity. 1, 2, 3. 1,
Thank you, friends. At the end, I cordially invite our respected principal, Brother Sebastian, to share his enlightening thoughts on empathy. His guidance will surely inspire us to become more considerate, compassionate, and understanding individuals.
A very good morning to you teachers and my dear students. Good morning, please be seated. Well, I think from the skit that you saw on stage and the charts that were put up and spoken by each individual students, you have very clearly understood the meaning of today's word empathy, to feel sorry for the other person. Now I know you have understood. I want to take it further. You need to feel sorry or empathy towards your teacher. When the teacher tells you to open your book, open quickly. When the teacher tells you to keep your pencils down, keep it down quickly. Okay, you need to understand, you need to feel sorry for the teachers because there are 40 of you in the class. It is not easy for teacher to look at everyone, wait for everyone. I have worked with you from class 1 to 5. I have been to each of your classes. I have noticed what happens in the class. So therefore, my dear students, please make every effort possible to show some amount of empathy towards the teacher in the class. When the books are called for, please give it on time. When you are told to do something, do it with respect, and this way we all can grow happy people in this school. Thank you, class 3B teacher, 3A or 3B? A, I always mix up these two classes. 3A teacher and students, please give them a huge round of applause. Very well done. Very well done.
Care, connect. May we listen with understanding, care with kindness, and connect with compassion. Let us strive to make a positive difference in someone's life every day. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful and productive day ahead.